So by now you should have a domain name, so www.something, which you might have registered with Namecheap.com or one of the other many registrars out there, and you have ordered your web hosting account. Okay, maybe with HostGator or another provider of your choice. So now you just need to link them together so that when people type your domain name into their web browser, like Firefox or Internet Explorer, they get taken to your website. They won't see anything straight away, of course, because there's nothing on there yet. But soon enough, you'll have a website or blog on there, which I'll show you how to do in the next video. When you ordered your web hosting, you should have received an email called an activation email. This might take an hour or so after ordering, depending on which web hosting provider you chose. This is an important email, so you should keep the information in it safe, perhaps keep a printed copy somewhere. Have a look at the email. It contains various information about your web hosting. Look for something called the DNS settings. DNS stands for Domain Name Server. For example, they will consist of 2 lines and look a little bit like this. Okay, make a note of them, not these ones, the ones in your email, and you now need to log into your account where you registered your domain name and enter these details to your domain settings. Let me show you. So, for instance, if you used Namecheap.com, log in and you'll see a screen a little bit like this. You need to click on the link here to show your domain names, and then click on the domain name itself, okay, which I've just done just out of view of the camera there. When you click on the domain, you'll see the navigation on the left here. Just click on the domain name server setup link there, okay, and you can simply, if I just move camera down here, you can see here it's got the domain name server settings here. You just need to enter the ones from your activation email in these 2 fields here and click save here, and that's all you have to do. Your domain now has to go through a process to settle down with this change of details. I usually find it's pretty much instant, but apparently it can take up to 48 hours, so just bear that in mind. But basically now, when someone goes to your domain, they'll see whatever you have stored on your web hosting account, which is nothing at the moment. Now, a quick and effective way to get something on your domain is to install your own blog. So head on over to my next video and let's get something on your new site.